Boogeyman Live here at Owensworth Firing Range, and of course featuring the HS2000 with the red dot right now, my carry gun. That's the red dot by JJM Precisions, and I'll try to run it with it for the first time. Alright, so I'm always loaded. Of course, it's a carry gun, so it's chambered. Smooth and fast, fast and smooth.
Stand by. Time 22.12.
Okay, that's a better time, 22.12. Let's check the hits. Alpha, alpha. Snake bite. Alpha, alpha. Alpha Charlie. Alpha, alpha. Alpha, alpha. Alpha, alpha. Okay, so we get better as we progress. So let's try another run. Last run, 22 point something. One down. I think that's a good run for an amateur and for the first time to use with the red dot for my HS Carry Optics EDC. So let's try to beat it. Probably this would be my last run. So I'll just try to go faster.
Time 20.60.
Okay, I think that's the best time. 20.
20.60.
Okay, I got less than 2 magazines, so let's just shoot it until it takes me kung saan abutin. Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Stand by. Time 20.29.
Okay, I think that's the best time. Sakto. Lights. Camera siya. Teka, camera. Camera. And action. Boogeyman still alive, turning 51 in a couple of days. I do thank God for everything. And my mom, special thanks to her, who had been supporting me for the last half decade. Keep on subscribing, keep on liking Boogeyman Live in YouTube, and then Facebook. Please follow me, Boji SNC. I'll see you later, calculator, and I love you too, don't you know?